Hello, this is Tuesday, September 22nd, and this is just our review for our unit test tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit different than the other videos. I'm just going to quickly show you these questions, have your students do these questions, or you guys do these questions, pause after it to finish it. So here's the first question. Last Saturday, 80,000 people visited an amusement park, and 8,000 people visited a shopping mall. How many times greater is the 8 in 80,000 than the 8 in 8,000? Pause while you do this. Right. So the major thing that we need to focus, and I even told everybody today, I was like, I'm giving you an answer to one of the questions tomorrow. Anytime you move from right to left in the place value, so the place value is going to get larger, you multiply by 10. No matter what. Every time you go, if you go from the 100,000s to the 10,000s to the 100,000, you multiply 10,000 times 10. If you're in the 100,000, you multiply 100,000 by 10, and that would get you the millions as you go. Okay, so it's always multiply by 10. Really make sure you guys understand that. Here's the next question. A number has 4 10,000s, 9,000s, 700s, and 2 1s. What is the number in standard form? Pause while you do this. All right, so remember standard form. Standard form is when you put the numbers back together, okay? And this gives you all these different items. And the big issue, the problems that I had with the students in class today is they only saw 4 numbers, so they only chose the number with 4 instead of looking at where it says 4 10,000s and drawing the place value chart. And what I mean by drawing the place value chart is, 10,000, so I do 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s, 10,000. Oh, so I have 5 numbers. I have to do 5 numbers, so it would be a 4 here. I have 4 10,000s. I have a 9,000, a 700. And look, there's no 10s place, so you put a 0 and then a 2. All right, so then we go to the next question. I just had the students go through this quickly. This one was more of an easier question, but it's still something that they need to see. Let me do this one. All right, and then it's just very straightforward. This one's bigger than, these are the same. Oh no, this one is bigger. This one has an extra group of 10. So you would say number 2 is less than number 1. And then we did this one. Everybody, this one was really good. They already had the numbers lined up. So do this one and pause it while you work on it. Okay. And everybody, this one was actually pretty simple. Most of the students got it correct because they saw that the place values were already in order. So they moved on. Another one, I just wanted to show every example of what they're going to see. Solve this question. Same thing, this one is just like the other one. It's just about reading the question, making sure it's a lot of words. It's used to try and trick you. Solve this question. We actually skip these. And this is the other one is this problem. Take your time while you solve it. Pause. Okay, coming back. Make sure you lined up the place values. And what I mean by lining up the place values is taking the number 24,356. And then underneath it is going to be 23,174, lining up the commas. 20,628, lining up the commas, guys. And you line these up, and then you're going to put them in order from what it says is greatest to least. So you find out which one's the greatest, and you look at the place values. Oh, all the 2s are the same, so we can't learn anything from that. Oh, so we have 2 4s that are going to be the greatest. So we have to go to the next place value. So this one cancels out. All right, so 5 is going to be the winner. So that would be first. And then this one's obviously second. So now we have a 3. Oh, well, 3 is going to be third. And the fourth one is the thousands. And you just put them in order, and you go from there. Good job. All right. Don't want to do that. All right, guys. And the last one we really focused on really quickly was we did one, and we talked about expanded form. Really understanding expanded form is where we stretch out the number. We take this number and we break it apart. And then just remember, for the test tomorrow, word form is just how you say it. So an example of word form, boom, goes like this. Okay, that's word form. Right here, 50,704, and they're changing it to standard form. Expanded form is we break apart, we decompose it. Standard form, we put it back together, or we compose it. Just remember, so tomorrow, I told this all the other students, if you're in my first class, in Mr. Hazen's homeroom, so you come to me in the morning, you come at 8 o'clock. Everyone comes at 8 o'clock. And the Miss Jones's homeroom class, everyone's going to come to me at 11:25. All right, you guys have a great day.